Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are back with another review about a product that is earpap. So if you are looking for the details of this product, watch the video till the end because it will be unbiased review and that will help you to decide either you should use this product or buy this product or not. So let's check out the detail. AirPap is an anti-snoring device that can help you with your snoring problem at night. The device is wearable and you can wear it just like to wear a Bluetooth earpiece. No need of wearing any uncomfortable product such as a mask or a tube. This device will built in technology to detect snoring while sleeping and use EMS to reopen any blocked airway. It is said to be an effective and hassle-free to deal with your snoring problems. So let's check out more details. It is available in $169. They have not mentioned charging type and power on time. It has a very tough and durable battery. Charging lasts multiple nights. Device works for everyone if you sleep on your side or breathe through the mouth. It is highly portable and it is available only in black color. The positive point of AirPap are while using this device, it is easy and hassle free. You just have to wear it. There are no wires attached to the device, thus there will be no problem while sleeping. The device will treat your snoring problem without any pain. It is rechargeable and thus portable and handy to use. Comes with a rechargeable battery. It is durable and tough, made with high quality materials present in the market. The negative point of this product are the device is a big wearable earpiece and it can be uncomfortable experience while sleeping. It may create itchiness and rashes in the back of the ear after wearing it for the whole night. It is hard to say if the device is safe to wear the whole night while sleeping. So the question is AirPap genuine? So before investing your hard-earned money in this device, as a customer, you should know about the authenticity and legitimacy of the brand that is providing the product. Many such devices are present in the web, but is it authentic? The most important question. So the brand name is AirPap and the brand is just over the 3 months and it was created on 15th April 2021. It has the poor trust score, that is 2%. On their official website, they have mentioned physical address, contact number that is provided for USA, Canada, UK, and worldwide, and email address are available on their web portal. There are unbiased review about various products of the brand on the internet. No social media pages are connected through their official website. So we could not find any genuine and reliable reviews on the internet about this device, and the website that is selling this product seems to be suspicious. The trust score is low and the website domain is only newly created. So we suggest our viewer to inspect the website before investing their money in the device. That will help them to make their final decision either to buy the product or to stay away from this product, because according to our research, no doubt the product and the website is newly created, so that is suspicious point. So we recommend not to go for that. And if you have personal experience of using AirPap, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.